Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to create a new squad in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team and select Enter Squad. Press L3 button, Squad Selector, and select Create New Squad. You can also manage Concept Squad. Now select players from your club for each position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.